Well, the latest addition to Kemp Sauce. Husky 50. Got a bit smashed by a pine tree by the previous owner. And I've removed the top, but the crank's all good. So I don't have to split it. But my intention with this is to put a big bore cylinder on it. So that'll be interesting. We'll turn into a Husky 55. I've already got quite a collection of saws. Husqvarna 3120, 592, 455, 550, and there's heaps more up there. 570. Oh, the 572 is just down there, isn't it? Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. So yeah, well, we're gonna make this work.